Guys, I'll show you a tip whenever you're booking hotels, ha? When you go to Google Travel, ang kagandahan dito, guys, is you can search for a hotel. For example, this hotel Midtown Richardson, this is sa Taipei. Guys, if you're going to search here, makita mo lahat ng mga prices niya dito. And if you look at it, tingnan mo, pinakamura talaga yung si Klook dito compared to other booking sites here. And then guys, marami pang hotels na pwede mo browse. For example, pwede ka mag-Fun Taipei. Sa Fun Taipei, makita mo rin dito. Ang kagandahan rin dito, you have the whole map. So yes, kung gusto mo yung location, pwede ka mag-zoom out para makita mo kung saan mo gusto mag-stay. O diba? For example, ito yung booking ko, 9,429 per night yan. Pero meron siyang discount pa. Make sure guys, bago kayo magbayad, click on this promo code. And then don't forget to use Jax Hotel or Jax 5 off. Yung Jax Hotel, pag hotel partners ni Klook, you get 8% off. So guys, ito yung itsura niyan. Dapat ma-claim nyo yan. Kahit hindi pa kayo magbubook, just claim the code. And then guys, tingnan mo, as big as 754.3 pesos ang savings ko dyan. So, the total hotel, di ba kanina is 9,000 plus siya. Now, naging 8,600 na lang siya kasi meron siyang discounts. Tapos may special code ka pa na Jax 5 off or yung Jax Hotel nga na sinasabi ko. So guys, bababa siya to 8,674.7 na lang. So yes, those are my tips guys. Google Travel, you can search for the cheapest hotel and then kung mura siya sa Klook, don't forget to use all of the promo codes para more discounts tayo.